Good morning, everybody. My name is Kurra Kiran. Today, my subject is machining processes and metrology. Here, we can see that my topic name is electric vehicles in India. And here, we can observe that introduction to electric vehicles in India. Electric vehicles are gaining popularity as a sustainable transformation option in India. Nowadays, we are seeing that electric vehicles are day by day it is improving and developing so much for getting popularity. And the Indian government is actively promoting EV adoption to reduce pollution and independence of fossil fuel. Actually, Indian government is doing that uh, by developing this EV. EV means nothing but electrical vehicle. We can reduce the pollution. And this presentation explored the growth, challenges, and future prospect of EVs in India. And we can observe that current market overview. The Indian EV market is growing rapidly with two-wheelers dominating the segment. Present we can observe in market there is two-wheeler vehicles of electric vehicles are day by day growing. Through the two-wheelers only we can develop like a three or four-wheeler also, etc. And sales of electric cars are increasing, supported by government incentive and raising the consumption of awareness. And major players includes Tata Motors, Mahindra, and new entrant like MG Motor and Hydrant. Now, government policy and incentive. Here, the faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles seems offer subsides of EV buyers, and state governments have introduced their own policies to promote EV infrastructure and purchase incentive. And these policies aim to reduce the cost of EVs and encourage widespread adoption across India. Government is day by day they are what we call encouraging the EVs motor. Because of the EVC motor only we can reduce the pollution. So that's the policy of India, and we can reduce the purchase like money also. That is one of the scheme did by the government policies. And infrastructure development. Charging infrastructure is expanding with more public charging stations in urban area. In urban area, we can observe there is a expanding public for the charging station, and the government and private companies are investing in fast charging networks to improve the convenience. Actually, government that one more thing they are doing is they are increasing the companies like fast charging network because of the electric vehicle. For electric vehicle we need the charging, so for that purpose only they are increasing the charging companies, and they are also investing money for that. And challenges remains in rural areas where charging stations are still limited. Now, environmental benefits. What are the environment benefits are there for this EV? EVs produce zero tailpipes emission, significance reducing air pollution in India cities, and transmissions to EVs can help India meet its climate commitments under international arguments, and reduce the reliance on fossil fuel can be contribute to energy security. The benefit of environmental for the EV is nothing but it reduce the air pollution, and it have zero tailpipe emission. That these are the some of the benefit of environment. Now, economic impact and job creation. The EV industries is creating new jobs in manufacturing, maintenance, and charging infrastructure. Actually, the job creating for this EV industries are like manufacturing and maintenance at the same time charging infrastructure. These are the things of impact of the job creation. And local assembly and battery manufacture can boost domestic industries and reduce the import dependency. And however, skill developments and training are necessary to support this growth. For this growth and for this creation of job, we need some skills and training like for the growth of this EVC industries. Now, challenges facing EV adoption. What are the challenges are facing? High upfront cost of EVs remain a barrier for many consumers, and limited battery life and concern about charging infrastructure, reliability, consumer confidence, and policy inconsistency and lack of awareness can slow down market penetration. These are the challenges. Now we can observe that the technological innovation, advance in battery technology are increasing EV range and decreasing the charging time. This was one of the innovation. Because of the battery only we can run the EV sim vehicles. So that one thing we are doing here, here is advance. We are increasing the range of the EV sim and decreasing the charging time of the EVC vehicles. And one more point we can observe here: development of affordable and durable batteries is key to widespread adoption. And innovation in vehicles design and smart changing systems are enhance user experience. Now, future outlook and growth projection. The EV market in India is expected to grow at a annual growth rate. This is a CAGR, nothing but a component annual growth rate, is over 20% in next decade. In day by day and the next decade, we can say we can expand, and also at the same time we can grow the EV market 20% for the next decade. And electric two wheelers are and three wheelers will continues to lead sales due to the affordable and utility. Government plans aim for a significant reduction in fossil fuel vehicles by 2030. Now, key players and market strategies. Tata Motors and Mahindra are focusing on affordable electric vehicles for mass market. And international auto markets are partnering with the local firm to expand their presence. Companies are investing in R&D to develop better batteries and changing the solution. And here that the policy recommendation for the accelerated enhanced charging infrastructure in rural and semi-urban areas is crucial. Yes, exactly. This is the crucial for the semi-urban areas and urban area. I mean rural area, and providing financial innovation and tax benefits can make EVs motor accessible. At the same time, increasing public awareness campaigning will help display myth and promote the EV benefits by through the promoting, and we can display the EV. Then only it will be able to understand the each and everything for the people. At the same time, they need some of the awareness of these EV vehicles. Now, conclusion and road ahead. Electric vehicles are set to play a vital role in Indian sustainable transformation future. In coming years, we can see that there is a very important role of this electric vehicle. Continuous policy supported technological innovation and infrastructure development are essential. These are the essential for the coming days of electric vehicle. And collaboration between government, industries, and consumer will determine the pace of EV adoption in increase. Once we can recall what we learned in this session, here the topic name is nothing but electric vehicles in India. Introduction to electric vehicles in India means nothing but it is very popularity, and nowadays we are using, and it will be coming in the market for low price, and it will reduce the pollution, and it will depends on the fossil fuel. That was one thing of EVC introduction. And current market overview is nothing but it growing rapidly means nothing but fastly it growing two wheelers dominating the present, and it will be help for the government raising the consumption of awareness. For example of motors like Tata Motors, Mahindra. These are the types of EV vehicles for the market growing rapidly. And government policies of incentive is nothing but for example there is a policy like EV infrastructure. They can purchase and they can increase the adoption of across the India because of reduce the cost of EVC. That was one thing we can see the government policy. And infrastructure development is nothing but we can expand the more public charging station, because of in urban area there is no some of the there is no any batteries, and there is no any repair of battery and the charging also. At that place we can develop the private companies, and we can invest the money on fast charging network. Then it will be maybe improve that. And environment benefit means there is no any reducing of air pollution, I mean, it will reduce the air pollution. There is no air pollution. And other thing we can say that it can produce the zero tailpipe emission. There is no any emission of ozone layer can affect. That was the benefit, we can say that. And also there is economic impact and job creation is, we need some of that skills to develop the growth of these EV vehicles and industries. Our challenges is nothing but it maybe have the confidence and it have the limited battery life, so that we need to change. Or it also in market we need to awareness can be slowly day by day it will be penetrating, and also same time it will growing like anything. And technology innovation means nothing but we need to increase the range of the charging battery. And other thing we can observe that here is it is crucial for what can we call it as in urban, rural and semi-urban area. It is crucial because of charging. There is a problem. For this, we need to do that. We need to populate it by awareness of people, increasing the campaigning, and also at the same time promoting the benefits of EV. Then they know that each and everything about EVs. This is the conclusion, and thank you.